So in today's video we discuss how to create a right angle with a downwards zigzag arrow. So to create this symbol, so you can see that this is a right angle with a downwards zigzag arrow. So to create this symbol in your computer using keyboard shortcut, for doing this you can simply open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. After that you must go to your computer keyboard, and in the keyboard this is the number lock. You must press the number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see the alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 9084. After typing 9084 you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that this symbol have been created. For more videos you can subscribe.